So I know as a beginner you'll be wondering, what pair can I trade? So I'm going to list out 5 pairs that you can trade as a beginner. So hop in, let's get to know the pairs. So what's up guys, another day. So welcome. For those of you guys that this is your first time coming across my video on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Please let the loves keep spreading. Thank you. Now back to this video. What I'm going to be talking about in this video is basically very simple, because I knew that when I got introduced to trading at first, I didn't know the pairs that will be trading. Now I know that, okay, yes, look at this pair is a very good pair. If I trade this pair, I'm going to, make some huge money. But no, it's not done that way. So here are some 5 pairs. I do trade the 5 pairs actually. Here are 5 pairs that I know that if you trade them very well, consciously, consistently, you back test and you observe everything that are being done on the chart, that you see on the chart, I bet you will be profitable in the next 5 or 6 months. I bet you. Take that word from me. Yeah. So the pairs, number 1, you have GBP USD. So that GBP USD is a very beautiful pair actually, because I do trade that pair a lot. I'm very sure most of you guys have heard about Jeffrey Benson. He's actually my mentor. I look up to him because he's someone I would love to be like, you get, because he has achieved a lot. And looking from where he came from, where he has, like, how will I even put it, looking from where he came from and where he is now, there's been a lot of growth in his life, and I really appreciate that, and I really thank God for his life. So give a shout out to Jeffrey Benson. Yeah. So now back to the GBP USD. Jeffrey Benson is one of Forex traders that made me love GBP USD. Yeah, GBP USD is a very beautiful pair. I traded it, and it has actually given me some kind of money that I didn't expect it. So GBP USD is the beautiful pair. If you are a beginner and you would love to trade some pairs and you are not sure, I will recommend you go for GBP USD. So now heading back to the second one, we have Euro USD. That's the EUR USD, Euro USD. So that pair is the most traded pair in the whole wide world, less volatile, yeah, something like that. So I will recommend you go for the Euro USD. It's the most traded pair in the whole wide world. Yeah. And going to the third pair, you see AUD USD. I do trade AUD USD because I really don't know why I trade AUD USD actually, but I just love the pair. It's similar to Euro USD, so I kind of love it. So I'll recommend you go for AUD USD. So I've mentioned 3 pairs: GBP USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD. So heading to the fourth pair, the number 4 pair is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, it's the Great Britain pound and the Japanese yen. I love that pair so much, and I'll recommend you go for it. Yeah, I recommend you go for the pair. It's a very beautiful pair, just like GBP USD. It's a beautiful pair, and I would love you to make your analysis and make your money and be profitable from this pair. Yeah. So the number 5 pair, before I get to number 5 pair, and I would love to give a shout out to those that do trade XAUSD. I salute you guys, because that pair, it's a really good pair and most dangerous pair in the whole wide world. And you as a beginner, I won't give you that pair to trade, yeah, because it's the most volatile pair. How do they speak that English again? But I won't recommend you trade XAUSD. It's gold. It's a very dangerous pair. Stay away from that pair if you know you're a beginner. If you don't want to lose all your money in the next 2 minutes, stay away from XAUSD gold. Stay away from it. So now heading back to the number 5 pair, we have USD JPY. So yeah, USD JPY. That's the US dollar, United States dollar versus the Japanese yen. Also a very beautiful pair. It's a very beautiful pair, and it's sweet, you know. So all these pairs I've mentioned, these 5 pairs, starting from the GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP JPY, and the USD JPY. So all these pairs I've given you and I've listed right now are the 5 major pairs that I do trade, and I feel that maybe as a beginner you would love to know the pairs that you want to start with at first. So I recommend you go for these 5 pairs that I've mentioned to you right now. Yeah, if you're a beginner, stay away from gold. Stay away from gold, unless you don't want to lose your money so quick in the market. So it's my advice from you. But if you want to, you know, the reason why most beginners go into gold is because gold gives fast money. It's a pair that gives fast money. So it tends to give you a lot of money in the next. A little peep movement gives you a lot of money.
Your sister, you'll be putting a bag on top of the clothes I've already washed. Oh, my bad.